Yesterday, Stable Diffusion XL was leaked and I made a video about that. Now today, Stability AI decided to release that model officially, so you can download it, no bad feelings. It's still the 0.9 version and this one is not pruned, so it's gonna be bigger, but you can download it, you can experiment with it to your heart's content. So let's check out how that works. When you go to the Hugging Face page of Stability AI, you see down here two new additions, the SDXL Refiner model and the SDXL Base model. Of course, you need to download both of them. Now, when you click on that link, you are greeted by this form here where there is a lot of talk about what you can and can't do with that. You, of course, cannot do any commercial things with that for now because this is just for research purposes. Of course, you need to log in here, and then after login, they kind of ask you some questions about what kind of research you do with that. So just fill that out with any kind of your information, and then you click the submit button and it's instantly approved. Next, you're going to be on the pages where the models are. And as you can see down here, we have the SDXL base model. This is going to be 13.9 gigabyte, pretty big. And on the page with the refiner model, we have it down here. Gladly, this is only 6.8 gigabytes. Again, as yesterday, I'm going to run this in ComfyUI, which I would highly suggest to you because it's very efficient, it renders fast, you can experiment a lot with that. But even if you don't want to learn about the process, I have a JSON file for you that you can simply drag into that canvas here, and then this node build is loaded for you so you can start right away. Now, ComfyUI is super easy to use. It has a self-contained folder that you just have to download and then open the program. So you can see we have this link here, download the folder, unpack it. It is a 7-zip file. So for that, you can use WinRAR or other files that support 7-zip, unpack that, and then you can start the program. If you want to have a more in-depth description on how to set up ComfyUI, I have a video here for you that you should check out. Now, once everything is set up for your ComfyUI, you want to go into ComfyUI to the models folder and in there to the checkpoints folder. And here you put the two SDXL models. Then you also require the JSON file with the node build. So you go to this link here that's below my video. The only thing you need to do here is to click on this download button here. This will download the JSON file. So once you have downloaded ComfyUI, you double click on run NVIDIA GPU.bat to open up the UI. This should automatically also open up your browser and you will be in the canvas. Now here you simply drag the JSON file into that canvas and this will load all of these nodes here for you. On the left side, you have up here a refiner load checkpoint and down here a base load checkpoint. With your mouse wheel, you can zoom in so you see that better. You click here on that list, and for the refiner, you of course select the SDXL refiner model. And then for the base model, you click again and you select the SDXL base model. In between the refiner checkpoint loader and the base checkpoint loader, you have this green and red field. They are titled as positive and negative prompts, so fill your text in here as you wish. And then next, the only thing you need to do here is to click here on that Q button to start the rendering. Now this will first run through the base model and give you a preview of what the base model is rendering. Here you can see the result that I got from my prompt. It is looking very nice, but it's not refined yet, so it's not perfect at all. After that, this is automatically running for you through the refiner model and the output will be up here. So you always see both of the results and you can compare them. So here you can see the result that I got from the refiner model, and this is much better, much more detailed, much more realistic. So that is really a very big improvement over just using the base model. This can also be run in flood diffusion, and for that I would invite you to check out the video by Sebastian Kamp. I have linked it below my video. Don't forget to join my live stream tomorrow where we are going to experiment with the SDXL 0.9 model. Also, I'm gonna make a new video again about how to train portraits for LoRa. I did a lot of experimenting with that. In recent days I also did some photo shootings with my very nice Sony camera and really cool cool lens from Sigma. So we are going to look into how these models turned out, compare the photos with the results, talk about how to refine that, all these kind of awesome things. Thanks for watching, see you in my live stream, and have a nice day. Bye! Oh, you're still here. So this is the end screen. There's other stuff you can watch like this or that. It's really cool. And yeah, I hope I see you soon. Leave a like if you haven't yet. And well, yeah, I wish you a good weekend.